This morning we're trying to figure out what to do with the back area here. It's a nice little lawn area and it's for a rental property, but we're thinking of putting a few beanbag chairs and a day bed and umbrella, which are coming on the 25th. And then it comes around to the deck, which our mate here is painting or oiling, more to the point. But it's all coming together. Even on a cloudy day, this is the other rent house, or holiday let accommodation as we call it in English. It's got its own private little beach kicking back there. We come around, it's a nice cloudy day today, so it's not too hot, which is beautiful. Then you get a little 1-bedroom villa back in there. Separate bedroom, kitchen, living area. Then across here it's got its day bed in behind the trees there. And then across is the other little 1-bedroom studio with a big deck, and it's going to have the beanbag chairs and everything as we discussed already. So that's coming along. So yeah, everything ready for Christmas. And of course it's all right on Lapita Beach, which just makes it absolutely amazing. This is one of our main grazing paddocks, but it's away from subdivisions and things like that. So we leave the trees to rot down after the cyclones and break back down in the soil. But we cleaned this all up for weeds a couple of months ago, but the bastards are coming back, and that's one of the problems in traffic. Everything grows so fast. Let's see if we can zoom in there. That's a noxious weed pico, so we have to get the guys out again on Friday to do some contract weeding and get rid of it, to get the place looking nice and clean. It's everywhere else except this one paddock I missed. But life goes on. There's always something to do on a farm. Our next job is cleaning up Nemo Bay. This is where we do our tourism. As you can see, all those leaves on the beach there, they fall down very quickly. And everybody thinks that paradise just is, God-made. Well, it needs a little bit of human interaction and cleaning and polishing for it to be what humans consider paradise. But I think Nemo Bay is pretty close to what paradise would be considered. And we just clean up over here. As you can see, there's a day fare for the guys for tomorrow. They're just getting the remainder of the leaves, and tomorrow they come and set up the kitchen and off we go. But yeah, no, it's a beautiful spot down here. I've finished clearing up all the jungle trails. We've got kilometres and kilometres of jungle trails throughout Lapita. Some of them go to picnic areas, some of them go to fence lines and all that kind of stuff, but we've got to keep them clean, and that's a full-time job in itself. But the guys got this done, so the paths look all ready to go, which is great. The next job. Well, from the feel of it, there's a big storm coming, and all the cattle are running down towards the beach, the bottom paddocks, to get shelter. The rain's just starting, but it's just it's dropped like 10 degrees in like minutes. It's absolutely beautiful. But as I'm saying it, here it comes. So time to get back to the bike and bugger off. Well, we just made it home and the rain's coming in behind us. The breeze has stopped, it's getting hot again, but I think that's the day. It's going on 5 o'clock and yeah, wind and rain's come in, so I think we chill out for a little bit. And as you can see through there, it's coming across really heavy.